Hello students. Before starting today's video, I will tell you a short summary of the chapter The Story of Jesus. Okay? So there are two main characters. One is Jesus Christ and another is Mother Mary. So in this story, Mother Mary gave birth to a special child who is जीसस क्राइस्ट। ओके मीन्स इस स्टोरी में जो मदर मैरी हैं वो एक स्पेशल चाइल्ड को जन्म देती हैं जो कि हैं जीसस क्राइस्ट। ओके एन एंजल अपीयर्ड बिफोर मदर मैरी। एक एंजल मदर मैरी के सामने आता है और उनको बोलता है कि आपको चुना गया है एक स्पेशल चाइल्ड को जन्म देने के लिए। ओके सो दिस इज द शॉर्ट समरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। नाउ we'll start today's video. So let's start. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be all right at your home. So students, as you know that our revision portion is going on and we have completed our today's topic is the story of Jesus. So we have completed its reading and explanation portion. So today I will teach you the exercise portion of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So first we will do the word meanings. So our first word is town. Word meaning. You will learn all these words and meanings. Okay? So town means small city. Town means small city. Students, your homework is learn these words, meaning and your all question answers and exercise portion given in this chapter. You will learn all these things in your HW. Okay? Your second word is young. Y-O-U-N-G, young, and young means not old. Okay? This is so obvious, means young means not old. Means कि जो young होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, वो बूढ़े नहीं होते हैं. Okay? Your third word is special. Special. Special means not common. Not common. Or you can say special means not common and you can say unique. Okay? Now your fourth word is journey. Journey. And journey means trip. TRIP, trip means आप कभी भी कहीं से कहीं पर लाइक बिजनौर मंडावर जाते हैं, बिजनौर से या बिजनौर से मंडावर आते हैं या और भी कहीं आप लोग घूमने के लिए या किसी भी पर्पस से जाते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है, जर्नी, यात्रा. ओके, सो जर्नी. नाउ वर्ड वेलकम. WELCOME, welcome. Welcome means greeting. GREETING, greeting. Okay, so students, there are 5 word meanings written on the blackboard, so you have to learn these word meanings. Okay, now we will do our next exercise. So students, as we have completed our word meaning portion, so now we will do the question answers. Okay, and your first question is, who appeared before Mary? Who appeared before Mary? As I have taught you in the story that who appeared before Mary? Yes, an angel. An angel appeared before Mary. The right answer is an angel. So you will write the answer like this. An angel appeared before Mary. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1. Now we will do the question number 2, and your question number 2 is, where did they go? Where did they go? Students, who is Mary? Mary, Mother Mary, means mother of Jesus Christ. Okay, so in this story, who appeared before Mary? कौन मैरी के सामने एकदम से आ गया था? कौन आ गया था उनके आंखों के सामने? एंजल, मीन्स फरिश्ता. ओके, एन एंजल appeared before Mary. Now your second question is, where did they go? Where did they go? वो कहाँ गए थे? वो means Jesus' parents. Okay, Joseph and Mary. So where did they go? Answer number 2. And your answer is, they went on a long journey. On a long journey. I have told you before that what is the meaning of journey. Okay, so they went on a long journey to Bethlehem. So they went on a long journey to Bethlehem. What is the meaning of they here? Why did they use they? They means parents of Jesus, Joseph and Mary. Okay, so they went on a long journey to Bethlehem. Here we have completed our 2 question answers. Now this is the turn of question number 3, and your question number 3 is, where did they stay? Where did they stay? Your question number 3 is, where did they stay? And listen students, this chapter will come in your examinations, so you all will learn this chapter very well. Okay? So here you have question number 3, and your question number 3 is, where did they stay? Where did they stay? Again there is written they. They means Joseph and Mary. Okay, parents of Jesus. So where did they stay? कहाँ रुके थे वो कहाँ रहे? So they stayed in a stable. Your answer number 3 is, they stayed in a stable. Okay, hope you all have understood. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is, what did the angel tell the shepherds? Learn these all question answers well. Okay, shepherds, P-H-E-R-D-S. What did the angel tell the shepherds? Means कि angel ने shepherd को क्या बोला था, क्या कहा? So the right answer is question answer number 4. The angel told them. The angel told them not to be afraid, not to be afraid. Afraid means scared. The son of God, the Son of God had been born. Means एंजल ने शेपर्ड से क्या कहा था? What did the angel tell the shepherd? So the angel told them not to be afraid. Afraid means scared, frightened means डरना. ओके कि अब डरने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सन ऑफ गॉड हैड बीन बॉर्न. भगवान, एक तरह से भगवान ही समझ लीजिए, जो भगवान का बेटे हैं वो क्या हो चुके हैं. मीन्स कि जो भगवान के जो बेटे हैं उनका जन्म हो चुका है, तो इसलिए आप लोगों को डरने की कोई भी आवश्यकता नहीं है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द चैप्टर वेल. So students, you have to learn this chapter. It will come in your examination. Okay, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Okay, and do the work in SW. Bye bye बच्चों.